right, time to take a look at the UYECOVE 160 foot-pound torque wrench set. I do like that it's got its own case. Cool. So we got a 21, 19, 17, 3/4, 11 16ths, and 5/8. You also have a nice chrome vanadium extension. That is a 1/2-inch drive with a detent. I always like to see this. They actually did do testing on it. So a 32 foot-pound test, they got 31.89, 32.01, and 31.98. So that is a very tight tolerance. At 96, we got 96.5, 96.44, and 96.61. So the fact that it's not even a full 1 foot-pound off at 96 foot-pounds, that is excellent. 160 foot-pounds, we got 162.27, 161.68, and 161.45. So very accurate torque wrench. And I also like that they put this in there just because if I really need 160 and not 161, I know I can just drop it down 1 foot-pound and I'll be right where I need to be. So I will keep this with the torque wrench. I really like when they actually include this because that means they actually looked at this torque wrench. There it is. Very nice looking head on here. This is a 1/2-inch drive. It also has a quick release style so you can drop those sockets out easily. Forward and reverse. Really nice black handle with a knurled grip on here like that. And then this is also the style of release that I like. It's just a collar that you pull down but you can easily grab that guy and make that adjustment. And it does actually lock in place when it gets to that right click. Cool. So you can see we got foot-pounds on this side, and on the other side we've got Newton meters. And then for the fine setting, we got foot-pounds on the top, and we got Newton meters on the bottom. I want to set this to 90 foot-pounds, so I'm going to hit that line. Right there, so we are now at 90 foot-pounds. So let's go ahead and test this guy out. There we go. Cool. It's nice having the confidence that you're actually properly torqued on all of your bolts. So yeah, this is a fantastic torque wrench.